Guys and girls, it's know it time!
Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you a brand new topic, and your topic is something called order of operations. Oh, some of you love this stuff, some of you hate this stuff. Because some of you say, I can't do this because I'm really bad at adding and subtracting. You have to be good at this stuff. So guys and gals, it's Noah time. Your favorite time of the day. And traditional, you get one line. I'm going to start off with some easy stuff, just some easy examples. Okay? Because I'm going to slowly build it up, and we're going to test how far you can get. -3 plus 7. -3 plus 7. And -3 plus 7. Let's start the day with Taylor. Take a guess, Taylor. -3 plus 7.
5.
Close. Nope, not 5. Steven, take a shot at it. Sorry? -10? Nope. Getting farther. +4. Rachel, what do you think? One person is +4, one person is -4. Robin. Marissa. Kieran. Tyrell. So the class is almost divided between positive and negative. Again, remember, if you're stuck, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a number line. And like I said, don't be afraid, because a lot of people are afraid of drawing number lines. This is what I'm going to start with, -3. Put -3 somewhere right smack in the middle of this line. Okay. That's -3. Oops, sorry. Oh, thank you. Now, I have this positive sign. And Harneet, back in the days when I taught you how to add, subtract, positive means to the right. So I'm going to count 7 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I label my number line, this is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer really is 4. Very nice. Try this. Again, I need if you get a few more practice on this. What if I go 4 minus -6? 4 minus -6. Miraj, take a stab at it. +10. Pikachu, take a stab at it. Emad, take a stab at it. Positive. Ooh, Gurjo, take a guess at it. +10. See, +10 is correct because remember this. I also taught you if you have a negative and a negative side by side, Tyrell, it turns to what? Positive. So, see, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite this 4 plus 10. A lot of people, what they do is they don't rewrite, and that's where the problem occurs. Take a bit of time. Whoa. That should be +6. Take a bit of time and just rewrite. It makes your life a lot easier. So the answer is indeed 10. Try next one. What if I give you -10 plus -2? I'm going to pause this, let you try it on your own. And Kieran, what's your answer going to be? -12 is correct. Again, if you're lost, see this plus and minus, look what this. Rita, this plus and minus really becomes what? -10. See, I write it again. Equals to -12. Guys, gals, that's adding and subtracting. Now, let's mix some multiplying and dividing. Multiply / divide. I want to see who can master all this stuff. -3 times 5 back in the days when you had this. Duprit, is your answer positive or negative first of all? Rajan, what's your answer then? Negative is correct. Okay, very nice, guys. Again, I'm not doing anything too hard. I keep it simple. Try this one. -64 divided by 8. Gary, take a stab at it. What's the answer? Oh, sorry, Joey. What am I talking about, Gary? Joey, take a stab at it. Sorry? Is your answer positive or negative, first of all? Negative. It's correct. Pyro, negative what? Come on, you can do the 64 divided by 8. Oh, no, not 6. Rachel, what is it? Negative 8 is correct. Okay. Guys and gals, so that's a bit of a review, but here's the reason why I'm teaching you. Your lesson today is really on order of operations. Order of operations, back in grade 7, your teacher may have taught you this magic word to figure out what the key for order operation was. Hands up if you know what the key word is I'm talking about. Bedmass. So let's write this down. So your key word, back in the days, your teacher taught you something called bedmass. I'm pretty sure you learned this in every school. Every school should have taught you this. Harneet, you had your hand up. What's the letter B stand for? Brackets. So let's write this. We're going to work with brackets first. Brackets. Okay. Sufyan, I haven't talked to you yet. What does E stand for? Sorry? I'll give you a hint. EX. We're playing Wheel of Fortune. You can do it. EX. Nope. Serbi? Emid? Harneet? Exponents is correct. Hands up, you have never heard of this before. Bedmaster. Really? Like, well, what school are you guys from? Exponents. Have you done Bedmaster before in grade 7? Really? Wowzers. Brackets, exponents. D. Harneet, choose a random male student. Devin. Division. Devin, choose another male student for me, please. I said male student. I'm kidding. Alright, Steven, enough picking. Okay, let's. Multiplication. That's correct. Multiplication. Duplication. This is the order we generally follow. We don't follow this to the T, but we generally follow this. Steven, you're up. Choose another. I want a female student. Deepika. Addition. And I'm going to choose the last student. Someone who I haven't talked to yet today. Rita. What does S stand for? Summer school. Oh, subtraction is correct. Subtraction. So guys, I'm going to write a few things down. Star. This is where kids are having trouble. They follow this to the exact T, but they need to write a few things down. Star. Okay. Division and multiplication has the same priority. Even though according to Bedmass we do division first, but in reality they have the same priority. In this case, you normally go from left to right. You normally work from left to right. I'm going to give you an example of what I mean. Okay? It says this: division and multiplication has the same priority. So a lot of kids are having trouble because they always do division first. But in reality, if I give you a question with only multiplication and division, you work from left to right. I'll give you an easy example first. Example 1. 3 times 4 divided by 2. Okay. Now, a lot of students, what they do is this. They say, hey, Miss Snow, I'm going to do division first. because D comes first. But in reality, if you have a question that's only multiply and divide, guys and gals, you can just work straight from left to right. We don't need to follow BEDMAS. BEDMAS is only a general guideline. It's not the definite rule. Okay. So guys and gals, if you work from left to right, I want you to do this first. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, is correct. 12 divided by 2. 6. Your answer is 6. That was easy. Now some say, Mr. Snow, we could have done 4 divided by 2 first. It works. I'm going to give you an example why this doesn't work. What if I give you this? 3 times 4 divided by 3. Okay. If you try to do division first, would you agree you're going to get yourself into trouble? Because 4 can't be divided by 3 nicely. So this is the reason why when you have multiplication and division, you only work from left to right. Because we don't have to follow BEDMAS. Guys, gals, solve this for me. 3 times 4 divided by 3. Karen, what is it? 4. 4 is correct. See, that was easy. I'm going to now just make it a bit more challenging for you. Example 2. I'm going to add some additions in there this time. Good luck. 5 plus 1 times 3. Let's see. I'm going to pause this right here. I want to see who can. Now, here's the thing. The first thing a lot of people do is this. They go 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 times 3. And then they say, hey, so this is so easy. Anyone can do it. But this is not the case. Because here's the reason why. So this is wrong. I have here, let's write down what I have. I have addition. Here. Emad, what else did I have in here? Multiplication. If you have addition and multiplication, you can no longer work from left to right. We're going to go back to BEDMAS. Naresh, what does BEDMAS say to do first? Multiply or add? Multiply. So guys and gals, what we should have done first is multiply this together right now. 1 times 3. 1 times 3, which is 5, plus 3. And Devin, what's your final answer? 8. Very nice. See, first of all, write down what you have and then follow. I'm going to give you another question to try out. I'm going to show you where they use this. A bit more challenging. I'm going to make it some cheesy examples. Good luck. 6 bracket minus 3 end bracket. I'm going to have a 2 in front of this bracket. Minus a minus 10. I want to see who can figure out this nasty equation. I'm going to pause it and let you try this on your own. Good luck. So guys and gals, again, this takes a bit of time. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down all the things I see right now. I see brackets. Okay? Always write down what you see. It takes a bit of time, but you're going to tell you which way you go. Jasneet, what else do you see? Subtraction. Sure, I see subtraction. Naresh, what else do you see? Multiplication. See, all I'm going to do is I just write down everything I see. Now, according to BEDMAS, Rajan, which one should I work with first? The one in brackets. So I'm going to highlight this stuff. I want you to solve this stuff inside the bracket right now. So this becomes 2 times 3 minus a minus 10. So brackets is done. I cross this out. Okay. Robin, what's the next thing I'm going to do? Multiplication. Because it says brackets, then I look at this. Multiply this out right now. Okay. Take it simple. Nothing too bad. 2 times 3. Who haven't asked yet? Fatima, 2 times 3 is? 6 minus a minus 10. See how easy this is? And minus minus you can actually merge them together. And Amrit, minus minus becomes plus. So 6 plus 10. And the answer is 16. Well, guys, now somebody asked me, so why do we need this? How many of you been to McDonald's before? And every year McDonald's has the competition. Every kid you not. And there's really famous competition. How many of you ever played Monopolies before? At McDonald's, where you collect these little things and then you trade them in and you buy, like, win $1 million or something. In order for you to win those prizes, McDonald's has a catch. Does anyone know what the catch is? Every time you collect all whole sets, to win those prizes, McDonald's has a catch. They don't just give you the prize right away. There's actually a skills testing question required. How many of you actually seen the skills testing question? The skills testing question is going to be this. And every single year, McDonald's people can't win because they can't answer it. Because they know that in general, people can't do order operation. This was McDonald's skills testing question. Skills testing question. If you get it right, you win $1 million. If you get it wrong, you win nothing. So from Mickey D's. And it's going to be somewhere along these lines. I kid you not, every single game is always a math question they ask. Never in English, never a history question, it's always a math question in a lot of games you play. -3, open bracket. -2, -5. Plus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. I want to see who would win $1 million from McDonald's. I'm going to pause it, and instead of $1 million I'm going to give you, this is your supernova question for today. You have 4 minutes to figure this out. You're going to circle your answer. Winner gets the card. Good luck. One time for your mind. And remember the key, your hints, write it out many times. Write out the English. What do you see? And just do that first. I'm going to pause it. Walked around, and I see a lot of things. Again, I like to write down the English, what I see. I see, Serbi, what do you see first of all? Brackets. I see brackets. Marissa, what else do you see? Multiplication. I see multiplication. Multiplication. Deepika, what else do you see? Division. Division. Fatima, what else do you see? Addition. And there's one more. Tyro, what else do you see? Subtraction. In this case, there's everything. So I'm going to go through my list. Naresh, what do I do first? Brackets. I want you to do this slowly with me. So if you haven't done this, let's do this right now. So you have -3. I'm going to work with the brackets. -2 minus 5, which you agree, is -7. Okay, no tricks. I keep it simple. Plus 6 minus 4 divided by 2. Brackets is done, so let's cross this out. Emid, what did I do next? You could do multiplication if you want. So let's do multiplication right here. -3 times -7. You could do that first if you want. So -3 times -7. Rajan, what is it? So write down 21. So I keep everything the way it is. -4 divided by 2. Devin, what do I do next? So multiplication is done. Divide. I want you to look at what you're dividing. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight this right here. 4 divided by 2. Agree? So this becomes 21 plus 6 minus... Rachel, what's 4 divided by 2? 2. Hey guys and gals, we're almost done. Solve this now on your own. 21 plus 6 minus 2. And your answer is 25. Voila. Okay, nothing too bad. And that is going to be your lesson today. I'm going to start off easy. We're going to do one more lesson on this tomorrow because the order operation is going to be key. But for now, I'm going to stop my recording. And your homework will be a worksheet. So